Hello everyone. Today, I have some exciting news for all you WordPress website owners out there. WP Rocket, the leading WordPress caching plugin, is celebrating its 10th anniversary, and they're offering an exclusive 25% discount on all of their plans. If you've been looking to supercharge your WordPress website's speed and performance, this is an offer you don't want to miss. If you check the pricing plan here, for a single website it will cost you around $44. On Plus it will cost you around $89, and you can use it on 3 websites. If you want to use WP Rocket on unlimited websites, then it will cost you only $224. It's a huge save and suitable for freelancers and agencies. So if you plan to buy WP Rocket, this is the right time for you. Check the link in the description and buy the suitable plan for you. WP Rocket offers a range of powerful features, including page caching, which generates static HTML files to reduce server load and load your pages faster. Their file optimization feature minifies and concatenates CSS and JavaScript files, further enhancing your website's speed. And with lazy loading, your images will only load as users scroll down the page, saving bandwidth and improving load times. I have a full video tutorial about the best settings of WP Rocket. I will leave the link in the description, you can watch it from there.